Hello and welcome again to Agata's Kitchen. Again, today we're going to be making another keto-friendly low-carb recipe, and today we're going to be doing cauliflower-based pizza, which means that instead of normal flour, our base is going to be made mostly of cauliflower and of course cheese, because again, keto equals a lot of fat and a lot of cheese, and we love it. So we're going to need quite a few things. I'm going to show you how to make it. This is the first time I'm making it, so if it doesn't work out, we're gonna have to do it again. But fingers crossed, it will be delicious. Keep on watching. So first we need around 1.5 pounds of cauliflower. I have a fresh cauliflower and frozen one. I tried it with both, and I'll be honest with you, go for fresh, because it's going to be much easier for you to prepare. Now we're going to blend it. Make sure you don't put too much cauliflower at once, because then you're going to get big chunks, and we need to have quite a smooth consistency. It should be a consistency of rice, actually. If you have a little bit bigger chunks and it's just a few, it's not a big deal, but try to mix it quite fine. Now we're going to grate around 100 grams of cheese. After that, we're going to put cauliflower into the oven for around 15 minutes. Make sure you put it on the paper or aluminium foil and bake it for around 15 minutes or microwave for 8 minutes. We want the cauliflower to start releasing water. After your cauliflower is baked, make sure you put it in a cloth and start squeezing the excess water out. Make sure that the cloth that you're using is quite porous. I didn't have a porous cloth, unfortunately, so it was quite a difficult task, but make sure you squeeze as much water as you can. It's quite a difficult process, so make sure you spend time of squeezing as much water as possible. I also did one extra step and I squeezed a little bit of water into paper towel, but you don't have to do it if you feel like you have semi-dry cauliflower mash. Now that's how our drained cauliflower looks like. We're adding cheese to it and a pinch of salt, and we mix. After that, we add a large egg and we mix it in as well. You might have to get a little dirty and use your hands as well. Now take your dough and form your pizza. After that, we're going to be baking it on 180 degrees for 7-8 minutes each side. Make sure it's nice and golden before you flip it. Now while our base is baking, we will prepare the toppings. We're starting from chopping up the bacon and frying it. Now we take the pack of mushrooms, we're going to chop it and fry it as well, just to release a little bit of water. First, we take double concentrated tomato paste, just 2 tablespoons, spicy paprika, oregano, black pepper and a little bit of salt. And we mix it all together with a dash of water. Now we're going to start assembling our pizza. We're putting a thin layer of tomato sauce, our bacon, mushrooms, oregano and more cheese. I decided last minute to add some red onion as well, so we're going to put quite a lot of that. And how about more cheese?
Right, so here we have it.
Cauliflower crust pizza.
And we're going to test it right now for A, the foldability, B, the taste, and C, could you really call this an alternative to a pizza? Foldability wise, I don't know.
Come on!
It's okay.
It's
okay.
Very good.
It's okay. It's halfway there.
I would give it 5 out of 5.
5. I'm going to give this. I'm going to give this a 3.
For foldability?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to tuck in me now. Tuck in.
Using knife and fork.
Tuck in with the tucker.
That's how you eat a pizza.
It's very cheesy.
It's very heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
I've tried the crust itself.
Okay.
It is cauliflowery. It's rich.
That's good food for when you've had a few to drink.
How much would you give it?
This is tasty. Well, no questions about it. I would definitely give this 5 out of 5.
I would give it a 4 out of 5. It's a bit heavy for me.
No, I like it. It's hangover food. Now, could you really call this a pizza? It's actually quite close.
I would say yes.
It's pretty close.
Because I'm gluten intolerant, I would say that this is better than gluten-free pizza.
This is pretty close to a pizza.
Really good. So overall, it performed quite well. I will just say one thing, because I didn't say it in the video. Don't put it on aluminium foil, and if you do, grease it heavily. Otherwise, use baking paper.
Right, I'm starving. Don't know about you.
Thanks. See you. Give it a try. Bye.
Make sure you check the Today Show page for the full recipe.